Gearhead Tour recently stopped by Gateway Bronco, where owner Seth Burgett told us about all the amazing restorations going on over there. If you'd like to see that video, click the link in the description or on the info card above. Gateway Bronco is also home to the very first Bronco ever produced. This piece of automotive history started out as a teal green, 6-cylinder half-cab that was built in the Ford Pilot production plant in 1966. In 1967, the truck was delivered to the city of Los Angeles, California, where it became the property of Carroll Shelby. It was here that Shelby swapped the V6 for a 289 V8 and changed the paint scheme to red and white. About a decade later, the car was sold to Texas Ford dealership owner Vinny Yakubanski for the sum of $100. Yakubanski repainted the Bronco to the blue and gray color you see here. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos about cars and trucks that you love. You can learn more about this Bronco at firstbronco.com, where you will find photos and details about the truck as well as the documents from its history. For Gearhead Tour, I'm Amanda Mertz.